Hello friends, your bank has a free or nearly free checking account set aside specifically for people your age, and they are counting on you never asking about it. What most people do not know is that major banks across this country have senior checking accounts with waived monthly fees, and they do not advertise these accounts at the teller window. Today I am going to walk you through exactly which banks offer these accounts, what age you need to be, and the exact words to say when you call your bank today. Stay with me until the end because I am also going to tell you what to do if your bank does not offer a senior account, and that answer will surprise a lot of people watching right now. Before we get into it, subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the bell because the banks and agencies that handle your money count on you not knowing what you are entitled to. The people subscribed here find out before money leaves their account, and before a habit quietly costs them hundreds of dollars a year without them ever realizing what is happening. Subscribe now and let us go through every bank together, starting with a number that I want you to keep in mind for the next 8 minutes of this video today. If your bank charges you a $12 monthly fee and you are 65 or older, you may have been paying that fee every single month for years when you never had to pay it at all. Over 5 years, that is $720. Over 10 years, that is $1,440. Gone in small amounts that never felt large enough in the moment to pick up the phone and ask about. Banks do not send you a letter when you turn 65 saying your fee is now waived, and they do not automatically remove it from your account because they would rather keep collecting it quietly. Here is the first bank I want to talk about. And this one is for everyone who banks with U.S. Bank and is 65 years of age or older right now in 2026. U.S. Bank offers the Smartly Checking Account, and for customers who are 65 or older, the $12 monthly maintenance fee is completely waived automatically just because of your age. You also get a 50% discount on personal check reorders at U.S. Bank when you are 65 or older, which is one of the perks most people do not know is sitting there waiting for them. If you bank at U.S. Bank and you are 65 or older, call their customer service line, tell them you qualify for the senior fee waiver on the Smartly Checking Account, and ask them to apply it today. The second bank I want to cover is PNC, and this one is especially important because the age threshold at PNC is lower than most people expect, at just 62 years old. PNC Bank waives the $5 monthly service charge on their simple checking account for any account holder who is 62 years of age or older, and this waiver applies automatically once your age is on file. PNC also waives the paper statement fee for customers who are 62 or older, which is a benefit we covered in a recent video and which stacks on top of the monthly fee waiver nicely. If you bank at PNC and you are 62 or older, call 1-888-762-2265. Tell them your date of birth is on file and ask them to confirm that both the monthly fee and paper statement fee are waived today. The third bank is TD Bank, and TD has a dedicated account called the TD 60 Plus Checking that is available specifically for customers who are 60 years of age or older in 2026. The TD 60 Plus checking account comes with free checks, free paper statements, and no monthly maintenance fee as long as you maintain a minimum daily balance of just $250 in the account. For most seniors receiving a Social Security payment every month, maintaining a $250 daily balance is very manageable, and the free checks alone can save you real money over the course of a full year. If you bank at TD Bank and you are 60 or older, walk into a branch or call their main line and ask specifically for the TD 60 Plus checking account because they will not always bring it up first. Now let me tell you about Wells Fargo and Chase because these two banks work a little differently and I want to make sure you understand exactly what is available to you there right now. Wells Fargo does not have a dedicated senior checking account with an age-based waiver, but the $15 monthly fee on their everyday checking account is fully waived if you have $500 or more in monthly direct deposits. For most seniors whose Social Security payment is direct deposited into their Wells Fargo account, that $500 threshold is already being met every single month without any extra effort on your part at all. If you bank at Wells Fargo and your Social Security is direct deposited there, call 1-800-869-3333 3557 and ask them to confirm that your monthly fee is being waived due to your direct deposit activity right now. Chase works the same way. The $15 monthly fee on Chase Total Checking is waived with a direct deposit of $500 or more per month, and most Social Security payments exceed that threshold automatically each month. If you bank at Chase and are not sure whether your fee is being waived, call 1-800-935-9935 and ask them to pull up your account and confirm that your monthly fee is currently at zero. Here is a point I want you to really hear, because this one matters more than any single bank name I have mentioned so far in this entire video today. If your bank is not on this list and you are not sure whether they have a senior account, the question to ask is this: do you offer a fee waiver or a senior checking account for customers my age? That question costs you nothing, takes 30 seconds to ask, and the answer could save you $10 to $15 every single month for the rest of the time you bank at that institution. Now, I promise to tell you what to do if your bank simply does not offer anything for seniors, and this is where credit unions come into the conversation in a serious way. Credit unions are member-owned financial institutions. They are not-for-profit, and many of them offer senior checking accounts starting at age 62 with no monthly fee and no minimum balance required at all. Some credit unions offer free checks for life, free paper statements, ATM fee reimbursements, and even small dividend rates on checking balances, benefits that most big banks simply do not offer their senior customers. To find a credit union near you that you are eligible to join, go to mycreditunion.gov or simply search your city name plus Senior Credit Union Checking Account in any search engine right now. KeyBank is another option worth mentioning because their Key Smart Checking Account charges no monthly maintenance fee at all, and it is available to seniors without any age-specific requirement attached to it. So here is what I want you to do right now, and I want you to take this one step today before another month goes by and another fee quietly leaves your account without your permission. First, look at your last bank statement and find the line that shows your monthly service fee or monthly maintenance fee, and write down exactly how much you paid last month for that charge. Second, call your bank's customer service number, which is on the back of your debit card, and ask them 2 specific questions before you hang up the phone today with them. Ask them whether your bank offers a senior checking account or an age-based fee waiver, and ask them what age you need to be and whether you already qualify based on your date of birth right now. Third, if they say yes, ask them to apply the waiver or switch your account type immediately on that same phone call so you do not have to call back a second time to get it done. If they say no senior account exists at your bank, ask them whether your direct deposit qualifies you for a fee waiver, because that route works at Wells Fargo and Chase and several other institutions too. And if your bank offers absolutely nothing, that is your signal to look at a local credit union or an online bank like Ally or Chime that offers full checking with 0 monthly fees and 0 minimums always. So let us bring it all together so you have every piece of this clearly in your mind and you know exactly what to do as soon as this video ends today. U.S. Bank waives the $12 monthly fee automatically for customers who are 65 or older, and they also give you a 50% discount on check reorders on top of that benefit. PNC waives the $5 monthly fee and the paper statement fee for customers who are 62 or older, and you can confirm this by calling 1-888-762-2265 and giving them your date of birth today. TD Bank has the TD 60 Plus checking account for customers 60 and older with free checks, free statements, and no monthly fee as long as you keep $250 in the account each day. Wells Fargo and Chase both waive their $15 monthly fee for customers with $500 or more in monthly direct deposits. And your Social Security payment likely already meets that threshold every month. If your bank offers nothing, credit unions and online banks are your best alternative, and mycreditunion.gov will show you every option near you with no cost to look and no obligation to switch. The reason most seniors are still paying these fees is not because the options do not exist. It is because nobody sat them down and said, "Here is the account your bank already has waiting for you." Now you know exactly what to ask, exactly who to call, and exactly what you are entitled to. And that knowledge is worth hundreds of dollars a year on a fixed income starting today. If this video helped you, share it with a parent, a neighbor, or a friend who has a checking account, because one phone call from them this week could stop fees that have been running for years. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so you never miss one of these, and I will see you in the very next video with more of what they are not telling you at the window.